If you're a time freak like me and you want to see the seconds in your taskbar inside of Windows, I'm going to show you under a minute how to do this. Hop into Windows and right-click into the Start button. From here you want to go into the settings. Once the settings menu is open, you want to go into the left side where you see personalization. Click on it, and into the sub-menu you want to click where you see taskbar. On the taskbar menu, you want to go all the way to the bottom where you see taskbar behaviors. Expand that menu and scroll a little bit down, and right here you're going to see the show seconds in the system tray clock, but it's going to use a little bit more power from your PC. You want to check this mark right here, and now as you can see you're going to have the seconds show in the clock of your taskbar. Small tip, if you want to change the start button from the center to the left side, all that you have to do is right here into the same menu, click it to the left. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys, for this really short tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.